Prabhu, when someone gave you a Krishna consciousness book for the first time, how did that affect your life? And do you think about that when you go out on book distribution?
Yeah, I mean, it had a profound effect on my life. I got a Bhagavad Gita when I was 16 years old, and I got a Change of Heart record. And when I listened to the Change of Heart and realized that the songs were correlated to the Bhagavad Gita, it blew my mind, and I wanted to know more about it. Loved it. You know, one of the verses in the Bhagavad Gita was that we can't attain to the spiritual world unless we have a spiritual teacher. So then I was searching to where I could find this. I didn't even know there was a Hare Krishna movement. But in the back of the book it had addresses of the temple, and I realized there was somewhere I could find, the temple. And so Bhagavad Gita, getting a book changed my life, no question about it. That was, and I do think about it. If I can just help someone else get a book, that's my life becomes perfected if I can do that. And I want to help Srila Prabhupada do that because that's how I was helped. Thanks.